going to show you how to add a task to your day in the Microsoft To Do app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into a list of tasks. Now we click on the task that we want to add to our day, and then we click on Add to My Day here on the right side. What this is going to do is that here we have our day, and here these tasks are going to repeat daily, hence the name. And then if we add tasks to our day, we can track our habits basically. So for example, if we have something to do, something that we have to do every day, we can do it like this, add it to our day and then repeat. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.